In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Asana tasks, guiding you through each step to optimize your project management process. Let's dive in. To begin, make sure you're logged into Asana by heading over to their website. Start by entering your email address and click continue to proceed. You'll then need to enter your password, and after that simply click the login button. Once you're in, you'll land on the Asana homepage, which serves as your dashboard for all projects. Now you'll want to navigate to the specific project where you need to link tasks. Click on a project to open it and find the tasks list. This is where all the action happens. Within this list, locate the task you wish to link or create dependencies for. Once you've found your task, click on its details to open up more options. Next, you'll notice an option to add dependencies. Click on this to indicate that the task's timeline is dependent on another task. This essentially means one task cannot start until another one is completed, a really handy feature for streamlined coordination. In the dependencies field, you can either select a task from the list or type in the name of the task that should be completed first. Now here's something crucial: you must make a choice about the dependency type. Asana provides two options. You can choose whether the current task is blocked by another task, meaning it cannot start until the dependent task is complete. Alternatively, you can set it as blocking, in which the selected task is preventing a subsequent task from beginning. It's worth noting that linking tasks this way not only helps keep your workflow efficient, but also ensures your entire team is on the same page. It reduces the risk of missed deadlines by visually representing task dependencies. Take a moment to review all the dependencies you've set to ensure accuracy. Asana's intuitive interface should make this an easy task, with clear visual indicators showing which tasks are dependent on others. And that's it for linking tasks in Asana. By following these instructions, you'll streamline your project management and keep your team working in sync with greater efficiency. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on using Asana.